if your paved or pool area is looking a bit down, then landscape designer Greg Dowsett has some colourful yet hardy options to bring life to your outdoor spaces.
Pool areas can be by nature very hard and stark, surrounded by tiles, paving or decking, leading to a very clinical and lifeless feel. When colour is introduced through either flowers or foliage, one transforms the poolside from a functional space to a place of relaxation and enjoyment. So a consideration when bringing plants, flowering plants in particular, into this space are ones that actually don't attract bees. I'm sure all of us are familiar with the good old bougainvillea, a plant that I have a love-hate relationship with. But one of the main reasons we're speaking about this plant today is that it doesn't actually attract bees and is a very suitable plant to plant in a harsh environment around a pool. The amazing thing about bougainvilleas is that they are so tough, incredibly drought tolerant, and really suited to a harsh environment. They love growing in pots, they flower better when they are in pots, and are totally neglected. They are available in a vast array of colours and sizes and forms, and the less you do to them, the better they perform. Here we have another traditional old favourite plant that brings a lovely Mediterranean feel to the garden, and especially around your pool. These are geraniums, and also are not a particularly attractive plant to bees, making it safe for your kids to be in the pool on a nice hot summer's day. These plants do really well in pots or in the ground as long as they have good well-drained soil, and they love to be in bright hot sunshine. If you have a slightly more shaded garden around your swimming pool, let's look at a few plants that we can consider that are going to create the same sort of wow factor. First of those being begonias. Come in a wide variety of colours, sizes, from bedding begonias to your perennial begonias that go on and carry on flowering throughout the seasons. If flowering plants are the highlight around your pool, then foliage plants create the foundation with year-round colour and texture. Here we have the best of both worlds with this Agapanthus zambezi. You have this fantastic variegated foliage that bring a pop of yellow colour into a space when the plants are not in flower. They will then produce a beautiful blue Agapanthus flower that we all know, and as I'm sure you're aware, Agapanthus are very, very hardy plants, tough as nails, love the sunny position around a swimming pool, and are quite happy to take a bit of abuse. This here is one of my all-time favourite plants to use as a filler, as a ground cover. This is Carex everillo, an incredibly tough plant that is drought tolerant, will grow either in the sun or in the shade, and just look at this beautiful iridescent colour that it brings. By balancing flowering plants with carefully selected foliage, one can soften the hard edges around a pool area in ways that are colourful and natural and yet striking.
Remember that regular maintenance using the correct products and tools are essential to keep your pool looking sparkling and inviting. Do it right and your swimming pool can take your garden to the next level.